Here's a cheap and easy 3D printable photography toy that allows you to pan your GoPro camera during time-lapse photography like this. First, just buy a cheap kitchen timer from Amazon like below. You'll also need an old skateboard bearing. Print out the 3 free files from Thingiverse linked below. There's a base, GoPro mount, and small gear. Just pull the top off the timer and remove the screw in the bottom to release the clock mechanism. Insert the timer into the base. Screw it in to secure it. Then place the gear on the timer shaft. Place the 608 skateboard bearing into the GoPro mount. I like to use a little glue to keep it from falling out and prevent wobbling during filming. I also like to glue in the nut for the GoPro mount. Just keeps it in place so you don't lose it. The bearing just mounts right on the shaft and the gears mesh. Then you just set your timer, turn on your camera, set up the time lapse and record. It's a 1:4 ratio. We'll turn the camera 90 degrees during the next hour. Taking a picture every 5 seconds will create about a 30-second video. Every 10 seconds will make about a 15-second video. When the hour is up, the kitchen timer will ring. I like to wait about another 5 or 10 minutes after that to create a couple of seconds of pause at the end. There you go, nice and easy and fun. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you make any videos, link them below. I'd love to see them. Hope that helped.